Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thank you so much for ordering your 5x7 tip cards with Directly Jen. This video tutorial is going to walk you through how to upload your files to Vistaprint to get the best possible outcome for your print order. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go under Marketing Materials and click on Postcards. We're then going to go, to size, 5x7. Orientation is going to be vertical. Paper stock, you can do matte or recycled. I tend to choose recycled. However, it's a little bit more. So if you're on a budget, see, it's about 15 cents more per thing. So if you're on a budget, go ahead and just stick with matte. If you're wanting to go with recycled, you know what to do. So then we're going to click on Upload Design. Maybe. There we go. And then we're going to click on this where it says Upload Your Design. I've already actually uploaded the files, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you what to do. You're going to click on Upload Image. You want to use your front PDF print file. I'm just going to upload the first one, but we've already got them uploaded, so I'm just sort of walking you through how that works, and then we'll just go ahead and use the one we've already uploaded for the other one, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so there's our front. Then we're going to click over here to say add the back. Click on where it says upload your design. And again, click on the center here where it says upload your design. And then we're just going to go ahead and pull the back up, except for that's the front. Hang on, that's the back. Hang on. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm just going to say replace image. And do the right file. All right, there we go. Now we are going to go ahead and we're going to click on Next. And I just want to show you something here because it comes up a little wonkadoo. Maybe, if it comes up. Here we go. Where it's showing that this is got this white bit around it, but it doesn't. I have gone and downloaded a proof, and I'm going to go back to Edit My Design and show you how to do that. You click over here on Preview, and then you click on Download PDF Proof and click Get PDF Proof. But since I've already got it, I'm just going to show you. This is the actual print file of what it's going to be, okay? So that is what your actual file is going to be. So, and I don't know why they're showing it upside down like that, because that is not how we actually have it uploaded. So it is going to be like that, but the edges are going to go to the edge. So then we're going to go click on Next. Yes, it looks great. I've reviewed it. And then they're going to try and sell us a bunch of stuff here. We're just going to go ahead and click Continue to Cart. And then I just want to show you something super cool. I've got Rakuten on my in my Chrome extensions because it gives me cash back on Vistaprint and a bunch of other things too. So as you can see, I've gotten cash back from other places as well. They do have coupons, however, so what you do is you click on that. Once you have Rakuten, and I'm not going to do it because it's just going to, because I'm doing videos right now, you just click on that and then it's going to activate your cash back. But with right now, they're showing this great 40% off site-wide. You're not going to get any other coupon that's going to do any better than that. So you're definitely going to want to stick with that. But if that's not coming up, then go ahead and try those Rakuten coupons. Just to let you know, you get a $30 credit with Rakuten if you go ahead and sign up with them and use it. And then I actually get a $30 referral bonus too for that, just being out there and open with you. But you can save a ton of money with using Rakuten, so that's kind of my little bonus point for you. So if you have any questions with your uploads or anything like that, please don't hesitate to reach out and we will help you troubleshoot what is going on. So thanks again, and thanks for shopping Directly Jen.